Module 2. Entrepreneurial Skills. Students will define entrepreneurial skills and practice their use in a variety of situations. Students will also examine their own personal skills and consider ways of developing and applying them in the near and long-term future. Foundational objective: to develop entrepreneurial skills that may contribute to the success of the student's practical learning experience. To understand both the diversity of work choices within an economic framework and the social structures that contribute to or restrict choices of vocation. Learning Objectives Notes 2.1. To outline the common characteristics of entrepreneurs and provide examples. When students are identifying and listing the characteristics of an entrepreneur, team building should be stressed as it is one of the most important characteristics of an entrepreneur. Teamwork is a critical team-building skill which entrepreneurs must cultivate to be successful. Development of teamwork skills may be facilitated with the use of a variety of interactive instructional strategies and icebreaker activities throughout the course. Through teamwork, students will discover the skills, knowledge, and attitudes needed to work effectively with and for others. The entrepreneurial ego is a critical characteristic of those who become successful entrepreneurs. Learning Objective Notes 2.2. To provide opportunities for students to assess their personal entrepreneurial skills and plan means of growing in those areas in which students are either weak or deficient. Ask students to identify their personal characteristics such as interests, skills, values, beliefs, and attitudes. They should assess those characteristics and suggest ways to capitalize on the ones that contribute positively to the achievement of their personal, educational, social, and professional goals. Students should then go on to identify their particular attributes that are desirable entrepreneurial characteristics. Some entrepreneurial characteristics are learned and gained through experience, while others seem to be innate. In a class discussion, students should examine the entrepreneurial characteristics identified and assign them, with reasons, to the categories of learned and innate. Undesirable entrepreneurial characteristics, sense of invulnerability, impulsiveness, over-controlling behavior, and perfectionism, may also be discussed. While these are generally considered to be undesirable, some very successful entrepreneurs have also exhibited these characteristics. Encourage students to think about creating a venture requiring team building and teamwork. When they have done that, ask them to consider how the undesirable entrepreneurial characteristics would affect the development of teams in a venture. Help students understand that skills can be categorized into personal skills, interpersonal skills, critical and creative thinking skills, and practical skills. All of these types of skills are used in creating successful ventures.